IEM International School and College welcomes you to iLearn classes. I am your English teacher Anupama Medley, and today we are going to learn small letters from U to Z. Okay. Now in our previous class we have already learned how to write small letters from A to T. So first of all we are going to quickly revise our small letter A to T, and then we will move on to today's topic. Okay, so let's get started. Now how will write a small a, children? Now you already know that we write a small a between the two blue lines. Okay, so let's start writing small a in between the two blue lines. Then comes small b, one standing line and a right curve. Okay, then comes a small c, in between the two blue lines a left curve. Then comes a small d, one standing line and a very good left curve. Remember, right curve, left curve. Then comes small e, again in between the blue lines make a left curve, and then from top turn it right in the middle. Very good. Now how will write small f? Again quickly make a curve and a standing line, and then first blue line you have to make one small sleeping line. Okay, then we'll write G. What comes after F? G. Make a left curve, then a standing line going towards the second red line, and little bit up you can turn it. Okay, what come after G? Very good, comes H, on a standing line and then a right curve. Very good. Small I, one small standing line between the two blue lines and a small dot. Okay, this is how we'll write a small I. Then what comes after I? J. Again make one standing line and a little bit of down curve right at the red line. Very good. And then a small dot. What comes after J, children? What comes after J? K. How will write small k? One standing line and then two slant lines in between the blue lines. Okay, now what comes after K? L. Very easy, only one standing line. After that comes M. Then like a mountain zig. Then how will do it? In between the two blue lines we'll give right curves 2 times. Okay, see, this is how we'll write small m. What comes after m? N. So this will be only one mountain. One, second. Now remember, you have to make this in between the two blue lines. Okay, children. And then comes O. Very good. How will write O? A circle in between the two blue lines. Very nice. Now what comes after O? P. How will write P? From the first blue line we'll make a standing line till the second red line and a right curve. Very good. Now what comes after P? Q. Again one standing line from the first blue line to the second red line and then a left curve. Very good. And down from here we can give one slanting line. Okay, this is how we'll make Q. Then what comes after Q, children? R. Now in between the two blue lines we'll make one standing line and then take it right up and give a little curve and a dot. Okay, this is how we'll write small r. Then comes small s. Again, first we'll give a small left curve and then a right curve. Okay, in between the two blue lines. Very good. Now last letter is T. So one standing line, then give a little turn and then one sleeping line. Okay children, now we have already learned till T. Now, now children, let us move to today's topic, which is from U to Z. Okay. Now first we will see how we'll write capital U. How we'll write capital U? Now we'll start from the red line, the top red line. We'll make one standing line and then give it a little turn on the second blue line, and then don't stop. Go upwards, making one standing line till the first red line. Okay, this is how we'll make capital U. How we'll make a small u? In the same pattern, we'll make it in between the two blue lines. Okay, so one standing line in between the two blue lines. Give a little curve towards the right, take it up till the first blue line, again bring it down and give a small curve like this on the second blue line. Okay, this is how we'll write small u. Now comes to, after u, what comes children? V. How we'll write V? Now we'll make two slant lines opposite each other. Okay, first slant line will start from the red line till the second blue line. Okay, and the other slant line will be opposite to this slant line and will meet at this point. So another slant line like this and meeting to the first slant line on the second blue line. This is how we'll write capital V. So similarly we'll make a small v in between these two blue lines. Okay, two slant lines like this. This is a small v. So easy, isn't it? Now what comes after v? W. Very good. Now W is a zigzag pattern. Okay, so again from the red line make a slant line till the second blue line, then again take it up till the red line, again come down to the second blue line and again go upwards. Okay, till the red line. Now it's like this, one line, second, third, fourth. It's a zigzag pattern. Okay, now similarly you have to make it on in between the two blue lines. How we'll do it? One slant line, two slant line, 3 and 4. See, small w. Now what comes after w? X. Now X is a two slant line crossing each other. Okay, one slant line and a second slant line. Okay, it's crossing each other and it's meeting at this point. So similarly we'll make a small x in between the two blue lines. See children, like this. This is a small x and this is a capital X. Okay, now we'll go to Y. How we'll write Y? Now first we'll make a slant line from the red line till the second blue line, and then we'll make a small slant line from the red line to the first blue line. Okay, and it will meet here. This is how we'll write capital Y. Now similarly we'll make a small y. Now this time from the first blue line we'll go to the second red line, one slant line, and then in between the two blue lines we'll make another slant line and it will meet at the second blue line. Okay, this is how we'll make small y. Now the last alphabet is Z. Now how we'll write Z? We'll make one sleeping line on the first red line, then make a slant line to the second blue line, then again make a sleeping line on the second blue line. Okay, this is how we'll make capital Z. Now how we'll make small z? Same pattern in between the two blue lines, sleeping line, slant line, and again a sleeping line. Okay, this is how we'll make small z. Now children, let us quickly revise how we'll write small letters from U to Z. Okay, how we'll write small u? In between the two blue lines, Make a standing line, give a little curve, go upwards and come down and give a little turn. This is how we'll write small u, then small v, two opposite slant lines in between the two blue lines. Very good. Then how we'll write w? In a zigzag pattern in between the two blue lines. Up, down, up. Okay? Like this we'll make a zigzag pattern for W in between the two blue lines. Now how we'll make X? Two slant lines crossing each other. Okay? This is how we'll write X. Now comes Y. Then we'll make one slant line from the second blue line to the second red line, from the first blue line to the second red line, and then another small slant line from the red line to the second blue line. And last alphabet is Z. Is again a zigzag pattern, but a sleeping line first, and then a slant line, and then again a sleeping line. Okay? This is how we'll make a small Z. Okay, children? So, this was all for today's class. Now, see you all in the next class. Bye-bye.